Another one of our newer products is going to be getting lots of attention in 2021. I'm CJ Forker with LexJet, and in today's edition of LexJet Reviews, I'll be telling you all about the Wallquest line of wall coverings. Wallquest is a new wall covering which offers a cotton backing for easy DIY or professional installation with common adhesives and installation techniques. This commercial-grade wall covering is compatible with latex, solvent, eco-solvent, and UV-curable printers. It's durable enough for commercial environments that get a lot of traffic and meets safety requirements for schools, hospitals, and public buildings. Wallquest products are Type 2 Class A fire rated and meet EPA requirements for low VOC emissions. The textures offer high-definition imagery, but are subtle enough to enhance the ambiance in any setting without sacrificing quality. It is available in 4 textures: suede, linen, matte, and silk. If you have any questions about any of our Wallquest products, visit LexJet.com or call us at 800-4-LexJet and we'll be happy to help.